Today we're showing you a 2016 John Deere 5085E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere H240 quick attach front loader on it. The tractor was traded in locally here by the original owner. Simply was upgrading to a cab tractor. It's got the global style hookup for your bucket connection, 6-foot front bucket. The tractor only has 160 or 50 hours on it, right in that range. The front grill guard is bent, as you can see. It's really the only damage on the tractor. Tires are in excellent condition. The tractor's been stored inside. Got little scuffs here on the loader. Those connections here for your loader disconnect. 18430 rear tires. Telescopic 3-point arms, has a stabilizer bars, 540 and 540E PTO. Dual stackable rear SCV'S. The rear tires are loaded for counterweight. Nice operator station here. Nice seat, full suspension seat with a swivel that you can swivel left and right. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change the direction without clutching. Has a 12-speed transmission. You've got 3 ranges on the short lever, 4 synchronized gears on the larger lever. Loader control right here within easy reach. So on the control console, you've got your hydraulic 3-point and PTO levers, as well as your hand throttle. 540E selector is back here to the left of the seat. On the floor, you've got your differential lock pedal, foot throttle, individual brakes, and clutch pedal. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.